What's up guys, and welcome to the fourth Java programming tutorial. And in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how to code an if-else statement. Let's start the tutorial. So I already have a project set up here. I'm going to click new, go on class, call this something like grade, because we're going to be calculating and showing you if you get this grade it outputs this and you get a merit, distinction, a pass, a fail, depending on what grade you get. So let me click this as well. Finished. So yeah, get rid of this garbage. Alright, let's start. I'm going to initialize a value, integer, number, whatever you want to call it. So a equals, we'll say 75. Okay. And now let's get into the if statement. If a is less than 40, you have flopped. System dot out dot print ln fail. Next one. Else if your grade, I say if a is bigger than 40, and remember this double ampersand for and your operators, a is less than 59, yeah, you have, let me copy this, you have actually passed the course. So yeah, I'm just going to copy this and put it into the next one because I really don't have time. I'm so lazy nowadays. So if, yeah, okay, people might be confused. So if it's 60, I'm going to replace this with 6 and put that to 70 and say that's a merit. Command A, Command I, indentation, Command save. Else copy this, paste that here, distinction. So yeah, Command A, Command S, save that. And now let's see what it prints out. Because we have 75, we'll go in, it'll drop in and say if a is smaller than 75, print that fail. Else if a is bigger than 40 and smaller than 59, gives you a pass. Else if a is bigger than 60 but smaller than 70, you get a merit. Else you get a distinction. Hopefully it should be a distinction. There it is. You have a distinction. If we change this to about 40 or 39, it will say we have failed. Yes, always fail. If we change this to about 49, we pass. If we change this to about 61, where am I looking? 69, we get a merit. Excellent. If we change this to about 100, because we're so clever, there you go. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you, and stay tuned for tutorial 5. Thanks.